Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the brightness on your Android phone. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the settings icon from our menu. So however you normally would open up the settings screen, you want to get to it. And then underneath device, you want to left click on display. And now one of the first options should hopefully say brightness level. Left click on that. And now at this point you can drag it over left or right depending on how bright you want the display to be. And that's pretty much it. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.